Welcome to Friends at Preparation YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss current affairs MCQ. Let's start with the first question. You can utilize this video as a preparation to boost your current affair part of your competitive examination. Let's start. Which of the following statements are correct with reference to the seismic noise? It refers to the persistent vibration of the ground due to human activity. It obstructs a seismometer in calculating exact seismic data caused by the earthquake. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Your options are A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, both 1 and 2, D, neither 1 nor 2. Correct answer is C, both 1 and 2. In geology, seismic noise refers to the relevant persistent vibration of the ground due to human activity, such as transport and manufacturing. Hence, statement 1 is correct. It is unwanted component of the signals recorded by the seismic meter and make it difficult for scientists to study seismic data. Hence, statement 2 is correct. In next question, consider the following science and deal with. Pomology deal with tree and woody plants. Olericulture deal with vegetables. Arboriculture deal with fruits and nuts. Floriculture deal with flora and plants, floral plants. Which of the pair given above are not matched correctly? Your options are A, 1 and 2 only, B, 1 and 3 only, C, 3 and 4 only, D, 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is B, 1 and 3 only. Pomology is the branch of horticulture which deal with the planting, harvesting, storing, processing and marketing of fruits and nuts crops. Arboriculture is the branch of horticulture which deal with the study, selection and care of individual trees, shrubs or the other perennial woodland plants. Pair 1 and pair 3 are not correctly matched. Hence option B is the correct answer. With reference to the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, consider the following statements. It is being administered by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. It is compulsory for a loanee farmers availing crop loan KCC accounts for notified crops. The premium for Kharif and Rabi crops is 1.5% and 2% respectively. Which of the statements given above are correct? Your options are A, 1 and 2 only, B, 2 and 3 only, C, 1 and 3 only, and D, 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is A, 1 and 2 only. The Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana is being administered by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Hence, statement 1 is correct. The scheme is compulsory for the loanee farmer availing crop loan KCC account for the notified crop and voluntary for the other. Hence, statement 2 is correct. The prescribed premium to be paid by the farmers for the all Kharif and Rabi crop is 2% and 1.5% respectively. In the case of annual commercial and horticulture crops, the premium is 5%. Hence, statement 3 is not correct. Next question. With reference to the order book, inventory and capacity utilization survey, consider the following statements. It provides an insight into the demand condition faced by the Indian manufacturing sector. It helps to measure both economic activity and inflationary pressure. Okay. It is published by the Central Statistics Office Which of the statement given above are correct? Your options are A, 1 only, B, 1 and 2 only, C, 2 and 3 only, and D, 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is B, 1 and 2 only. It provides us the insight into the demand condition faced by the Indian manufacturing sector, hence statement 1 is correct. It helps to measure economic activity, inflationary pressure and the overall business cycle, hence statement 2 is correct. It is published by the Reserve Bank of India, hence statement 3 is not correct. In the next question, with reference to the sovereign gold bond, consider the following statements. These are the issued by the Government of India. The bond are restricted for sale only to the residents, individual, Hindu, undivided families, trust, universities, charitable institution. These can be bought from the small finance bank and payment banks. Which of the statement given above are correct? Your options are A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, 1 and 3 only, and last D, 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is B, 2 only. Sovereign gold bond are issued by the Reserve Bank of India on behalf of the Government of India, hence statement 1 is not correct. The bond are restricted for sale only to the residents, individual, Hindu, undivided families, trusts, universities, charitable institution, hence statement 2 is correct. Your suggestions are always welcome, so do comment with your suggestion to improve the quality of the video. You can subscribe this channel Friends at Preparation for more educational video. Thank you for watching.